BalkanDad, can you make Eurocrem? Of course! Let me show you how to make homemade domaći Eurocrem. First, you need hazelnut leshnik because this is hazelnut spread. Luckily in Serbia we have hazelnut growing in the wild trees. When you have got about 1 kilo, go home, crack them open, then we're gonna roast them to give them that nice roast flavor. Make sure to turn them around 2 to 3 times while cooking so they don't burn on one side. In the cloth, let it sweat, skin comes off, separate the skin from the hazelnut, tastes very good. Anyways, put to the side milk, powdered sugar, put the butter, put it on the stove, heat it up until melted while it's hot. You're gonna add a vanilla essence, you're gonna add the milk powder, yes, mix it until smooth. Separate equally into 2 bowls, 1 bowl white chocolate, other one dark chocolate, mix it with 2 hands, pretty hard, but yasa my store anyways. Then you're gonna blend the hazelnuts until you have the butter. You're gonna add a little bit into the chocolate part because this is a hazelnut spread, like I said. Your brain tastes amazing. Simultaneously pour into the big jar, leave it in the fridge to cool down. Then you need to make some palatschinke, bre. Look at this ASMR. Look at that. Put as much as you like, my friends. This is domaći, of course, has a lot of sugar, but I don't care. Homemade is much better. And that's it. Try this with the family. Everybody gonna love it. Živeli and goodbye.